Y'all, these seeds have gotten out of control. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. We have an addiction to seeds. And even though I don't need to buy any every year, I still buy more and more seeds. And even worse, I save seeds, so it's just gotten to be too much, y'all. It's just too much. I gotta get going with this. We've got to get this sorted, because what this does is we end up wasting a lot of time digging through this whole endless bottomless pit, and I ain't got time for that. Today we've got snow on the ground because it went from 70 degrees to freezing because our Tennessee weather is hormonal. Anyway, so today we're stuck in the house because it's too cold to really do anything, and I have decided that I'm going to just tackle this seed storage. Anyway, over the years, our containers that we kept our seeds in have gotten bigger and bigger and bigger, and so this is what we've got now. Okay, I mean, this is ridiculous. It is crammed, and I'm talking crammed full of seeds. And so every time I'm looking for seeds, I will dig and dig and dig and dig and get frustrated and end up dumping out the whole container just to find certain seeds that are in there. I have seen other people get organized, but it's one of those things that I haven't really taken the time to actually do it, but I'm determined to do it today. The best organization method that I have found is what I have seen with Melissa Norris. If you don't already subscribe to Melissa K. Norris, I think it's Pioneering Today. I think, don't quote me on that. You need to check her out because she is really knowledgeable and she has a lot of really helpful tips and things. Anyway, so let me show you what she does, and that's what I'm going to do. Is she buys these containers here. Okay, this is actually for organizing photos. You can get it on Amazon. I think it was right around $30, maybe 32, somewhere around there. All I know is I had like a $10 credit on Amazon, so I got it for like $23. Totally worth it for me. So you open it up, and inside are 18 of these containers, smaller containers. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is, she does them alphabetical, I'm gonna also do them alphabetical. So some containers will probably be fuller than others. Like I may have one that's just the letter A, so anything that starts with an A, I'm just using that as an example. Or like, for example, B may really be packed, especially with beans and broccoli and Brussels sprouts and anything else that starts with a B. So I may actually need more than one for one letter, but there may be letters of the alphabet that there's hardly anything in there. So what I'm going to do first is sort my seeds and determine how many I have with what letter, starting with what letter, before I go and label all these. Okay, so this is probably going to take quite a while, but like I said, I need to do this. It's going to be a whole lot easier when I go to plant seeds and I have to take out my nice little neat labeled and organized container, and then, oh, I'm going to plant spinach. S, spinach. So that's a whole lot easier than, oh, where's my spinach seeds? Oh man, I can't find them. Dump. And then everything goes over there and there's seeds everywhere, and I'm just like, ah! Okay, so this is going to eliminate that problem. Okay, so we've done as much sorting as we possibly can. This is just the B pile. That's C pile. So you can see they're probably going to take more than one container, maybe even 3 containers. And then the S one is pretty big too. But I think what we're going to do is I'm going to let the kids make a little extra cash. And I'm going to get a whole mess of these small little Ziploc bags, maybe even smaller than this one, and let them divide it up. You know, we have a whole bunch of extra watermelon seeds, for example, or okra or whatever. Bag them up and sell them for like $1 a bag when we have one of our plant sales that are coming up in either the end of April or May, probably May. So I may let the kids do that as a project, but look at this. So this is the bin after I clean it out, and look how many seeds have fallen out of packets. I mean, this is crazy. I mean, there's no telling what some of these, I mean, some of them I know what they are, but some of them I have no clue. So we may just feed them to the chickens. Woo, y'all. It took forever, but we got them all sorted. And you notice, like, I don't even have every letter on here. Didn't even have anything with A, so I didn't even do any A's. But I had a lot of B, a lot of C's, hardly any of the D through F's. This one is the only one that is about to bust at the seams. Okay, so, I mean, look, it's starting to come out. But I'm ordering some smaller little Ziploc bags or paper bags for seeds, so that these bigger, like, sandwich side Ziploc bags won't take up so much room. Mary, can you please back up? Thank you. And then, of course, a lot of P's, and then a lot of S's, my tomatoes, and then a couple of those. But, I mean, I am so impressed by how much I'm able to fit in this. It's just unbelievable. Alright, so I got these all fixed up in here, and they're all nestled in their new location, nice and organized. So I just want to tell you guys, if you know somebody in your family that is a gardener, especially somebody who saves seeds or just has a lot of seeds, this is a great gift idea. Mother's Day is around the corner, so this is a great Mother's Day gift. Any gardener, I can't imagine why they wouldn't want to have their seeds organized, so this is a really great gift idea. Also, I will post the link on Amazon where I got this if it helps anybody. Alright, you guys, you have a wonderful day. We'll see you in the next video.